Chimfua is your hand up. Perfect. Sunyani Senior High. F1 equals 2 newtons, F2 4 newtons, and theta is 60 degrees. Go ahead, Rufus.
Okay. We have 2√7 Newton.
Perfect. Berekum Presby Senior High School. F1 equals 3 newtons. 3 newtons. F2 4 newtons, and theta is 120 degrees. Yes, bless.
Square root of 30 Newton.
Exactly. Did you have an alternative? That's that you have 10 seconds. Preamble. State the nature of the stem of the given plant group. St. James, liana.
They are woody.
You are right. Notre Dame, grass. Bonus, take it, Sunyani.
They are herbaceous.
You are right. Sunyani, your major? Sunyani, your major question. Shrub.
Okay, they are herbaceous.
Bonus, take it, St. James.
They are woody.
Perfect. Berekum Presby Senior High. Yours is buoyant aquatic plants. You are right. St. James Seminary. Which of the following elements has the highest first ionization energy? We have Li, Be, B.
Be.
You are right. Notre Dame. Which of the following elements has the lowest first ionization energy? You have Na, Mg, Al. Exactly. Sunyani, Senior High. Which of these noble gases has the lowest first ionization energy? Ne, Ar, K, R. Go ahead.
The answer is Kr.
You are right. Berekum Presby Senior High. Which of the following halogens has the highest first ionization energy? F, Cl, Br. Bonus, Sunyani.
F.
You are right. Contestants, make sure you wait for me to rule before you press the bell. Is that okay? Preamble to all schools. You have 30 seconds for this set. Let's take the preamble first. Find Find the inverse of the given linear transformation. St. James Seminary. T, such that the coordinates x, y maps in brackets the first expression x plus y, comma, the second expression x plus 2y. Go ahead, David.
The inverse is 2x minus y, comma, negative x plus y.
Simple. Notre Dame. Yours is xy maps the expression 2x plus 3y and x plus 2y. Perfect. Sunyani, yours is xy maps the expression x minus y and 2x minus y.
Okay. The inverse is negative x plus y, comma, negative 2x plus y.
Simple. Berekum Presby Senior High. xy maps the expression 3x minus 2y and 2x minus y.
We have the equation negative x plus 2y, comma, and then negative 2x plus 3y.
Exactly. Preamble to all schools. A projectile aimed 30 degrees above the horizontal is launched at 12 meters per second. St. James, find the greatest height attained by the projectile. Yes, David?
1.8 meters.
That is it. Do you have any alternative? Okay. Notre Dame, find the height of the projectile 0.30 seconds after launch. Yes, go ahead, Ethel. Bonus. It's 1.4 meters. Sunyani, find the height of the projectile 0.80 seconds after launch. Yes, Samponsam.
6.4 meters.
Bonus. Take it, St. James.
6.5 meters.
No. It's 1.6 meters. Berekum Presby, find the flight time of the projectile. Yes?
We have the flight time to 1.2 seconds.
You are right. That said, you have 10 seconds. Preamble. Give the common name of the vitamin that is known as St. James. Calciferol.
Vitamin D.
Exactly. Notre girls. Pantothenic acid. You are right. Sunyani, folates.
Vitamin B9.
Exactly. Berekum, retinol. Retinol.
Vitamin A.
Yes. St. James Seminary, for the reaction N2 gas plus 3H2 gas, giving us an equilibrium reaction of product 2 NH3 gas. What happens to the position of equilibrium if pressure is increased? Yes?
It shifts towards the right.
Yes. It shifts towards the right. Notre girls, for the reaction 2 moles of SO2 gas plus O2 gas, giving us the equilibrium reaction with product 2SO3 gas plus heat. What happens to the equilibrium if temperature is increased? Yes, Eto? Bonos? Yes, Sunyani?
It will shift toward the reactant side.
I'll give it to you. Sunyani, your major question. For the reaction CH4 gas plus H2O gas with the equilibrium giving us the product CO gas plus 3 moles of H2 gas. What happens to the equilibrium if more CH4 is added?
It will shift towards the right.
Yes. Berekum Presby. For the reaction H2 gas plus I2 gas with the equilibrium sign, giving us a product 2 moles of HI gas. What happens to the equilibrium if an inert gas is added at constant volume? Did they meet it? Okay, go ahead.
It will shift to the right.
Bonus. Yes, St. James.
No effect.
Yes, no effect. No change. The last set for this round, we have 30 seconds. St. James Seminary. Given that cos A cos B equals 1/3, and sine A sine B equals 2/5. Find cos of the expression A plus B.
A fraction with numerator -1 Denominator 15.
Yes. Notre Dame girls, given that sine A cos B equals 5/9 and cos A sine B equals 2/5. Find sine of the expression A plus B. Yes, Jimfwa? Come again? Yes, you are right. Sunyani Senior High, given that cos A cos B equals 3/5 and sine A sine B equals 2/7. Find cos of the expression A minus B. Yes, I'm concerned.
31/35.
Yes, you are right. Berekum Presby Senior High. Given that sine A cos B equals 1/2 and cos A sine B equals 1/5, find sine of the expression A minus B. Go ahead.
We have 3/10.
Simple. That brings us to the end of round 1. Thank you very much. So at the end of round 1, let me start from Notre Dame girls. Notre Dame Girls Senior High School had 15 points. Berekum Presby Senior High School, 18 points. Sunyani Senior High School.
Additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Go station today and energize your ride with Go.
Round 2. Here the question is posed to all of you at the
Good
same time.
energy brings you quality
Ring the bell
choices
and
with
answer
Gold
at the
Super
first
XP.
for me
Available
at
in
3
many Gold stations
If you ring
nationwide. It
at
is
the
fortified
second
with special
or attempting at the
additives
second
that help
stage
your engine
at
perform better
third
and
or
use.
fourth, you have 1 point. However, at this stage, when you make a mistake, you have a penalty of 1. 1 attempt only, and know that the 3 seconds rule apply. Speed 1. Determine the voltage across the 10 millihenry inductor when the current is in its changing. When the current in it is changing at 20 ampere. Okay, St. James.
0.2 volts.
Yes. It's 200 millivolts, so 0.2 volts. Find the quantity of heat required to increase the internal energy of an ideal gas by 100 kilojoules in the process in which the gas does 300. Okay. St. James.
400 kilojoules.
Simple. The next one. Determine the kinetic energy of an object moving in a circle of radius 2 meters when the centripetal force on it is, okay, Berekum.
50 joules.
I'm sorry. Centripetal force on it is 40. St. James?
40 joules.
Yes. Wow. Next one. Name the condition. Name the condition suffered by a child whose mother drank alcohol heavily during pregnancy. St. James?
Fetal alcoholic syndrome.
Exactly. The next one. Name the sac-like structure that holds the acrospores. Okay.
The ascus.
Yes. All right. The next one. Name the spiraling movements in plants. Name the spiraling movements in plants. I guess this one is for the audience, right? Who tell me? Okay, so it is nutation. Yes, I answered. Clap for me. The next one. An iron nail of mass 5.6 grams is completely corroded to form Fe2O3. What is the mass of Fe2O3 formed if Fe is 56? Okay. St. James?
8.0 grams.
You are right. Next one. How many molecules are in 12.4 grams of methylamine CH3NH2? Yes, take it, Sunyani.
Okay, so I have it to be equal to 2.41 by 10 to an exponent of 22 molecules.
Who rang next? St. James?
2.41 by 10 to the power 23 molecules.
Yes. Okay. The next one. But before the next one, please, as usual, we don't want the rhymes and the songs before the answer. Just tell me the answer, okay? All right. Calculate the pressure exerted by 2.0 mole of an ideal gas in an 83 dm³ container at 300 St. James.
6.0 by 10 power 4 Pascal.
Yes. 60 kilopascal. The next one. Find the coordinates of the stationary points of the curve. Find the coordinates of the stationary points of the curve. Y equals, in brackets, the expression 2x plus 3 divided by another okay, St. James.
No stationary
No
points.
stationary points. Next one. Find the area. Find the area of a kite if the diagonals measure 12.0 centimeters. Yes, Sunyani. Go ahead.
54 centimeters square.
Did anyone ring? Okay, let me proceed. So the diagonals measure 12.0 centimeters and 20.0 St. James.
120 centimeters squared.
You are not wrong. The last one for this round. It is a very long question, so listen attentively, okay? A bag contains 10 identical balls, of which 7 are black and 3 white. 2 balls are randomly drawn from the bag without replacement. Find the probability both balls are of the same St. James Seminary.
A fraction with a numerator of 40.
I am sorry. Let me pass it on.
A fraction with numerator of 8 and denominator 15.
Yes. This brings us to the end of the speed race.
Many gas stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a gas station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP, Wufilia, huh? Wubefil. Goil, good energy. Ja, ya, dia. Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a GOIL station today and energize your ride with GOIL Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. GOIL Super XP, Ufilia, huh? Ubefi. GOIL, good energy. Ja, ja, ja. Good energy brings you quality choices with GOIL Super XP. Available in many GOIL stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a GOIL station today and energize your ride with GOIL Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. GOIL Super XP, Ufilia, huh? Ubefi. GOIL, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
Hello? Okay, so at the end of round 2, these are the scores. Notre Girls Senior High School, 15 points. Berekum Presby Senior High School, 17 points. Sunyani Senior High School, 21 points. St. James Seminary Senior High School, 51 points. Round number 3, true or false? But before then, let's effect substitution before we proceed. So from St. James Senior High School, we have Nsmq coming in for David Ajman. Let's put our hands together for them. You're welcome, Jesse. We just finished round 2, and we are on round 3. Here I present a statement to each school. You tell me whether the statement is true or false. You get 2 points when you are right. When you are wrong, a penalty of 1. A school can decide not to answer, and it's made available for a bonus for any school that ranks for 8. And it is worth 2 full points when it is correct. And you get a penalty when you get the bonus wrong. Is that clear? Best wishes. St. James, prickly pear is a cactus.
True.
Yes, it's true. Notre Dame Girls, prickly pear is of the genus Cactaceae or Cactaceae.
True.
It's a false statement. Sunyani, the flattened green part of the prickly pear is a leaf.
True.
This is also a false statement. Berekum, prickly pear has chlorophyll for stem.
True.
Yes, it's true. St. James, physical quantities with different dimensions cannot be added or subtracted to produce physically meaningful results.
True.
Yes, it's true. Notre Dame Girls, physical quantities with the same dimensions can be multiplied to produce physically meaningful results.
False.
It's a true statement. Sunyani, The result of dividing a physical quantity by another of the same dimensions yields a dimensionless result.
True.
Yeah, very true. Berekum, two physical quantities that have the same dimensions also have the same units.
False.
Yes, it's false. St. James Seminary. Chiral molecules lack a plane of symmetry.
True.
You are right. Notre girls, enantiomers have identical physical properties.
False.
Come again.
False.
I'm sorry, it's a true statement. Sunyani Senior High, all molecules with a chiral center are optically active.
True.
It is a false statement. Berekum Presby, enantiomers are always mirror images.
True.
Yes, it is true. This one has a preamble. Preamble to all schools. The given number is a prime number. The given number is a prime number. St. James Seminary, 317.
True.
Yes, it's true. Notre Dame Girls Senior High, 137.
True.
You are right. Sunyani Senior High, 371.
True.
It's a false statement. Berekum Presby, 173.
True.
You are right. St. James Seminary. Monocots become large because their parenchyma cells continue to divide.
True.
You are right. Notre Dame girls, palm trees. Palm trees are monocots.
True.
You are right. Sunyani Senior High. Intercalary meristems are present in some monocots.
True.
Yes, it is true. Berekum Presby. Cordage fibers are mostly from monocots.
False.
It's a true statement. Preamble to all schools. At atmospheric pressure and 100 degrees Celsius, the given substance behaves as an ideal gas. St. James Seminary, argon.
False.
Is a true statement. Notre Dame girls, ethanol.
False.
Yes, you are right. Sunyani, helium.
True.
You are right. Berekum Presby, water.
False.
Yes. St. James, sign of the expression 2 pi over 5 is equal to sign of the expression 3 pi over 5.
False.
Is a true statement. Notre Dame girls, cos of the expression 2 pi over 5 is equal to cos of the expression 3 pi over 5.
False.
Yes, it's false. Sunyani Senior High, tan of the expression 2 pi over 5 equals tan of the expression 3 pi over 5.
False.
Yes, it's false. Berekum Presby Senior High, cos of the expression 4 pi over 7 is equal to negative cos of the expression 3 pi over 7.
False.
Is a true statement. The last set for this round, St. James Seminary. The rate of a chemical reaction always increases with increasing temperature.
False.
Is a true statement. Notre Dame girls. A catalyst increases the rate of a reaction by providing an alternative pathway with lower activation energy.
True.
Yes, it is true. Sunyani Senior High. The rate constant of a reaction is independent of the concentration of reactants.
False.
I'm sorry. It's a true statement. Berekum Presby. In a multi-step reaction, the overall rate is usually determined by the slowest step.
True.
Yes, it's true. That brings us to the end of round 3.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will fill ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah. energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will fill ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja. Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will fill ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja. Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will fill ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja. Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide.
A round of applause to our contestants. I have an issue here to address. Let's address it and move on. So this is a protest from St. James. The rate of a chemical reaction always increases with increase in temperature. Okay, and they said the greater fraction if particles has energy, activation energy reactions are exothermic and reversible. It is not part of what I am asking. We are dealing with rates of chemical reaction. And from consultants, it always increases with increasing temperature. Let's clap for them as I drop this one. On that note, at the end of round 3, Notre Girls Senior High School had 22 points. Sunyani Senior High had 25 points. Berekum Presby Senior High, 27 points. St. James Seminary Senior High School, 58 points. We are moving on to round number 4. In this round, we have the Goil riddle bonanza, which will reward a school that solves 3 or all riddles correctly. At this stage, solving 3 riddles will fetch the team 200 Ghana cedis, while solving 4 riddles will fetch the team 400 Ghana cedis. The Goil riddle bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goil PLC, Good Energy. Round 4, I'll be presenting to you 4 riddles. If you answer correctly at the first clue of the riddles, you have 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Third clue thereafter, you have 1 point. Draw my attention with your bell when your answer is very, very ready. No composing of songs and rhymes here, okay? 3 seconds rule apply. Riddle 1. Audience, my presence is still here, okay? So solve the riddle for me if they are not able to. I am a physical law. I am a law of force. I may be said to be universal because I am applicable to a wide variety of situations. I govern the dynamic of systems undergoing small displacements about an equilibrium point. I'm the law that relates force. Okay, tell me, Sunyani.
Hooke's law.
You are right. 3 points on the 4th clue. We are a group of cells. We reproduce actively. We are found at the tip of roots, St. James.
Apical meristem.
You are right. 3 points. Next one. I am an important measure or classification for compounds in chemistry. I am critical in biochemical reactions. I am low in lemon juice and high in ammonia solution. St. James Seminary.
pH.
pH is right. You're not giving my audience any of the questions or the riddles to solve for me. The last riddle. I am a 3-digit number. My first digit is an identity. The number formed by the first 2 digits is a square. My 3rd digit is a cube. St. James.
169.
Who rang next? 4. 3. Okay, Sunyani.
168.
You are right. That brings us to the end of round 4.
With special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP, Ufilia, huh? Ubefi. Goil, good energy. Yo.
Thank you very much. Thank you. At the end of the final contest at the Bono Zone, here are the scores. Notre Girls Senior High School, 22 points. Berekum Presby Senior High School had 27 points. Sunyani Senior High School had 31 points. And St. James Seminary Senior High School, 64 points. Thank you for joining us for the 2025 Goil Zonal Championship from the Bono Zone. And I am happy to announce St. James Seminary Senior High School as the Bono Zone champion. The Goil Zonal Championship is proudly sponsored by Goil, with support from Momo from MTN and Joy News. I am Rachel Lano, your quiz mistress. This is the Prime Time production. Thank you. Bye.
Hello. Hello, St. James, please settle down. St. James, please settle down. Let's finish this, then you have all.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja. Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible.
Well done, Notre Dame girls. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, for our third place school, we would like to invite Ms. Gertrude Obeng, Goil Rep in charge of customer feedback and complaints, to do the presentation for us. And this goes to Berekum Presby. Well done, Berekum Presby. And all this is coming to you courtesy Goil PLC, our headline sponsor for regionals and zonal championships. Well done, Berekum Presby. You put up a good fight. Well done. Well done, Berekum Presby. Well done. I'm sure this will motivate you to prepare for the national championship. Now, for our second place school, I'd like to invite Mr. Seth Osei-Prempe, HSSEQ, Compliance Officer from Goil PLC. And once again, this goes to Sunyani Senior High School. Well done, Sunyani Senior High School. Well done, Sunyani Senior High School. I'm sure with what God has given you, it will help you prepare adequately for the national championship. Well done, Sunyani Senior High School. Thank you for hosting us. Thank you, Sunyani Senior High School. Thank you. And now, for the ultimate at the zonal level. So, to do the presentation, I'd like to invite Mr. Eugene Kwabna Atakura, Gold PLC HSQ Compliance Officer, to do the presentation. And this goes to St. James Seminary and Senior High School. Well done, St. James. Well done, St. James. Well done, St. James, for being the 2025 Nsmq Bono-Ahafo Zonal champions. Well done, well done. And of course, Of course, it doesn't end there. Now, Mr. Takra, please stay. We have the quiz research join Mr. Takra to present the plaque for being the champions of the Bono-Ahafo Zonal Nsmq 2025 edition. St. James Seminary and Senior High School. Well done, St. James Seminary and Senior High School. Yeah. Bono-Ahafo Zonal champions. NSMQ 2025, St. James Seminary and Senior High School. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Well done. So I want to thank you, all of you, for your cooperation, for your support, and for helping us to bring this to you. Thank you all for your participation. Thank you all for your support. This has been a primetime production. Thank you.
Your back asset, you know them be my hits, my chest. Your back asset, you know them be my chupares. They see my jolly, but no bata big bongo, baby, bongaso. You dey see him, me no fit kill him. I need to know where you did. Oh yes, me all look kiki. Shabali you know the day. Oh, when yes I'm not pretty. I need to know where you did. Say you look kiki. Shabali don't know the way, oh, my nurse are not eating. Come to my dad, oh, excellent, excellent, oh, excellent, excellent. You could put me for emergency. Sharply, excellent, excellent, oh, excellent, excellent.
Guile, good energy. Ja, ja, ja. Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP, Wufilia, huh? Wubefeel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.